Hi, a very good morning to every one of you. Welcome to our Facebook live show, Coffee with Crown, Executive Double Crown Diamond, Mr. Minaram Katka. So I hope every one of you are doing fine today. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, have a cup of coffee, because today we are going to have a very wonderful leader, a very great leader, a very well-known leader who's going to join us today on live just for all of us. So ladies and gentlemen, before we start the program, I would like to give some information. The information number one would be DXN Malaysia and DXN Indonesia will be organizing a high impact training and seminar, which will be on the 18th of October, which is from 3 to 5:30 p.m. Malaysian time. And we have 4 line of great speakers, that is Double Diamond Naveen, Triple Diamond Nurul, Executive Gold Diamond Ganga, and also Executive Gold Diamond Mr. Aziz, which is from Indonesia. So we have the 3 great leaders from Malaysia, from Nepal, as well as Indonesia, who's going to come on board and share with us the main essence of their success in this business. And in order for you to qualify for this training, there is a minimum qualification required. If you are from DXN Indonesia, you will just need to purchase 1 bottle of DXN Spirulisi, and after your purchase, you can basically register with our staff, Ms. Dita. You can see the number on the poster. And as for DXN Malaysia side, if any members purchase Codipine 285 ml or Spirulina tablets 300 or DXN Lingzi Oolong Tea and DXN Lion's Mane Oolong Tea, which is our new product, then you can register and qualify for this training. So please remember, the closing date for this will be on the 16th of October, and those from DXN Malaysia members, you can basically scan the QR code and do your registration, or refers to our S&T department for your registration. Now the seats are very limited. We only have got 100 seats. Don't miss this golden opportunity, as the closing date is much more closer. We have got 10 days to go from now, so grab your seat. And this program is a very special one. We are not basically organizing through the Facebook, but we will be using Zoom application. So those who register with us, we will provide you the link. Now, second thing which I want to share with all of you, we are proudly to announce that on the 3rd of November 2020 from 3 to 5 o'clock, I repeat, 3rd of November from 3 to 5 o'clock, we will be celebrating our 20th anniversary celebration for DXN Malaysia. And here, our main highlights will be all those achievers whom had qualified as a Star Agent, Star Ruby, Star Diamond, Executive Star Diamond, right until the highest status. It will be a good appreciation day. We're going to highlight to everybody of their successes. And not forgetting also, we will be having a line of speakers, the top leaders, in order to share their success story, how they has made it, and how did they success in this system. Last but not least, we will also be having a special guest, Dr. Lim Xiao Jin, to come on board. CMO, our Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Teo Han Ching, is also going to join us for this 27th anniversary celebration. So do not miss this opportunity. Please mark your calendar. I would like to see each and every one of you on the 3rd of November. And if it's possible, please do share our Facebook Live, DXN Malaysia, to all your members so that they all will be able to enjoy this program. My dear friends, in order for us to celebrate this anniversary, we also encouraging all our members to basically give a very short congratulations message. You may just take a short video of less than 5 seconds, and you can use this script as stated here: congratulations and happy 27th anniversary DXN, in any language you like. It can be in English, it can be in Malay language, it can be in Tamil, it can be in Hindi, it can be in Nepali language, it can be in Tagalog, it can be in Bangla, any language. But we just want less than 5-second video from you. Then you can email the video to snt@dxn2u.com before 22nd of October. I repeat, before 22nd of October. So we would like to get all the DXN Malaysian members, as well as any members who are online here from different part of the world. You may even drop us your congratulations message for DXN Malaysia, and we will be telecast this video on that day. So my dear friends, apart from that, we are also in the month of October. I would like to request each and every members who are online today. We have basically arranged wonderful speakers and also topics in which will be helping you in your business, in developing your team, and also your personal knowledge. So I would request again, please get this copy of online activities from our DXN Malaysia Facebook, and you can forward this to any of your members. If they are English spoken or Malay language spoken, you please share this information with them, as we want more and more participants. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we have our executive crown, double crown diamond, Mr. Minaram, who are waiting for us online. And with this, I would like to invite him. Let's welcome executive double crown diamond, Mr. Minaram Khatka. Hi, good morning.
Namaste. Good morning,
Namaste
sir.
to you. How are you
Respectable
doing,
brother?
Minaram bhai?
I'm great, brother. Great.
Yeah, Anyway, Minaram Bhaiya, we are so happy to have you today. Thank you
Thank
very
you very
much
much,
for
sir.
sparing your precious time with us. I know you are very busy with your team, with your service center, and also your little baby. So we are very
Thank you,
happy
sir.
to have you today evening. And I hope that with your presence today, with your sharing today, you will inspire many more people who are on live today. So Minaram
Thank you, sir.
Bhaiya,
Yes, sir.
I know you was in Malaysia for 3 years. Am I right?
Yes,
And you come from a very small state called Perak, Ipoh.
yes.
And when I come to know you, we had spent many wonderful moments in DXN, organizing meetings, moving around from one place to another, leadership program, and whatnot. And in fact, I believe you have a wonderful journey, a good start of DXN business from Malaysia. And today you had basically completed 11 years in DXN. And today you are known as an executive double crown diamond. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Minaram Bhaiya,
Yes.
I'm very happy to say this also. You are one of the most youngest executive double crown diamond we have got today. And
Oh,
from
thank
what
you.
I come to
Thank you.
know, you are just about 31 years old or 30 years old. What is your age now, Midaram Bhai?
31.
31 years old, and I believe
Not
with your dedication, your hard work, and all, you will be the most youngest crown ambassador in the world. So it's very good. We're very happy to see the progress
oh.
that you have made in DXN. So Mitaram Bhaiya, are you comfortable in English or shall we speak a little bit in Hindi and little bit in English? Chalega? Do bhasha.
Okay. Okay, can sir both.
Yeah.
दो
So
चलेगा.
Mitaram Bhaiya, आज बहुत सारे लोग हैं. There's so many people who are watching us today. Why don't we just see who are the members online who are watching us? Are you ready for that?
Ready?
Okay, we have got Dinesh Shah. Good morning, DXN sir. I don't know where is Dinesh from.
Good morning.
We have this Miss Jovelyn. Hello, DXN Malaysia. Good morning. Greetings from Damansara Heights, Kuala Lumpur. Namaste. So, Jovelyn is a Filipino.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste.
We have Selvarajan Maruta Turai, and Mr. Selvarajan is from Johor Bahru. Kalai Wanakam to you. Good morning.
Kale vanikam.
We have Mr. Rajan KV. Hello, DXN Malaysia. Hello to you too. We have Mr. Sharul Ikram. This is from Ipoh, one of our
Wah,
leader.
selamat pagi.
Selamat
Selamat
pagi
pagi.
DXN.
Yeah, selamat pagi.
And yeah, we have got one Nepali brother here, Ganga Chaudhary. Namaste. Happy good morning, DXN, all family.
Wow, namaste.
Right. We have got this
Wow.
Naza. Yeah, this couple is every time with us. Good morning, DXN family. Good morning, DXN Malaysia. Greetings from Subang Bestari, Malaysia. Good morning to you both. Yeah, we have Mr. Alex Raja. Kalai Wanakam. Good morning, DXN. Right. So, Mitaram Bhaiya, there are so many people today watching you. I believe
Yes.
they will take some time because of the time differences. Yeah, but I'm sure that they will log in and there'll be more and more participants come online. And we have got this Sunita Rai. Happy DXN. We have Nazar Albain. Selamat pagi DXN watching from Philippines. Magandang umaga, Mr. Nazar.
Ooh.
All right, let's see who are the next. Beverly Putan. Good morning, DXN. Mohan Subedi. Good morning, DXN. Wow. We have Abiral Sunar. Nice coffee. Wow. There is no coffee
Wow.
for you. Do you want
Yeah,
to give us a
coffee.
coffee?
Yes, coffee.
Yeah, this is my
Yeah,
coffee
coffee.
too. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Yes.
Yeah. And we have got Kasma Ismail. Good morning, DXN World from Subang Jaya. Selamat pagi, kakak. Apa kabar? And here we have got Siti Katija. This Ibu is from Indonesia, watching us live. You're welcome. Lakshman Thapamagar. Good morning, DXN. And we also got Fida Bhai, which is from Pakistan. DXN Service Center, Gujranwala. Good morning. Assalamualaikum to you, Fida Bhai.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Wow, Pakistan.
We have Maya Benji from USA. Good morning, DXN. Wow, there's so many people watching us. Ramugiri, good morning, DXN from Ipoh Perak. Minaram Bhaiya, Ipoh is
I miss
calling
you,
you.
Ipo. Yeah, Ramu, sir. I miss you, Ipo.
Yeah,
Missing
yeah,
you
yeah.
also.
Yeah. And there are many more basically who are online today. Anyway, we will get them later online. So, uh, Minaram Bhaiya,
Yes, sir.
maybe you can tell us a little bit about you, where you are coming from, and how did you come to Malaysia?
Good morning, dear son. Namaste. I would like to say thank you very much, management team, and my respectable brother, Ashish Bhaiya. I am not forgetting you. You are
I don't forget you
our
too.
hero, not only one my hero. All
Yeah, you are a
Nepalese and all
superhero.
whole hero. Yeah.
Thank
So my
you.
name
Thank you
is
so much.
Minaram Khatkar, Executive Double Crown Diamond from Kathmandu, Nepal. I will hope you are all the best and then enjoy. In this time is pandemic time. COVID-19 is very give us very difficult. Also, we take coffee, RGGL product. We are all safe. I will hope you are all safe. We we are also here safe in Nepal. And then who are watching in this live, also thank you very much. After watching also very thank you very much. I will hope after you see the live, absolutely you can share. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. So
Don't
मीनाराम भैया
forget
आप
share.
थोड़ा कुछ
Yes,
अपने
sir.
बारे में बताइए बिफोर यू कम टू मलेशिया मलेशिया आने से पहले आप क्या करते थे व्हाट वर यू डूइंग इन नेपाल बिफोर यू कम टू मलेशिया
जब मैं मलेशिया से पहला नेपाल में था उस टाइम में मैं कैंपस पढ़ रहा था। वो कैंपस जीवन था, लेकिन वो उतना फलदायी तो नहीं था। जब कैंपस
ओके
पढ़ते पढ़ते जो जब फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम के लिए जो पैसा के लिए मलेशिया आने का दिल किया गया। जब
ओके
when I went to Malaysia, around 9 months or 10 months, I have some problem, gastritic problem. After that, I get DXN. So when I get DXN products, actually I didn't say only thank you. Dato Dr. Lim Seo Jin, our respectable leader, our CEO, our dynamic leader, our old hero दातो डॉक्टर लिमसियो, जिनके लिए भी बहुत जोरदार ताली स्वागत करना चाहता हूं भैया। क्योंकि जब डीएक्शन पाया, जब नेपाल था उस टाइम लाइफ नथिंग था। जब मलेशिया गया कुछ होगा, जब डीएक्शन पाया अभी समथिंग होगा भैया।
यस
कुछ तो
So
देखेंगे।
anyway, I just translate a little bit in English. Basically,
ओके।
before Mr. Minaram comes to Malaysia, he was studying in Nepal, but there is nothing much he could work out with. So he have decided to earn money. He come over to Malaysia. But when he landed in Malaysia, he has got some health problem. And after that, he came to know DXN. Then he joined DXN. Then he started consuming the products and whatnot. Right, Minaram bhai?
यस श्योर सर, एब्सोल्युटली।
Yeah. Yeah. So Minaram bhai, I want to know one thing. When you come to know DXN, what I want to know here is this: what make you to choose DXN? I'm sure when you come to Malaysia, you was working in a factory, very limited resources, very limited time, not many friends. Most of your time is with working. But later on, when you come to know DXN, what make you to choose DXN?
Because at that time I have a lot of problem, gastritic problem, sugar problem, a lot of problem. So I went to hospital, I went to allopathic hospital, I went to Ayurvedic hospital also. A lot of place I went to at that time, but nothing changed for my health, my body. So my one person, my respectable person, executive senior star diamond Babukaji Bhandari, he
Oh,
told me about DXN. So he told me DXN product is the best for your health, for your lifestyle, for your everything is DXN best. Everything is explained to me. After I say with him Babukaji Bhandari. So I am impressed. his product explain. So when he say about DXN product, I use the product, I got a lot of benefits. Within 50 days, I don't have gastritic, I don't have
Oh,
sugar, a lot of things I get at that time. So my DXN first impression is DXN product. Thank you very much, Dr. Lim Siojin. Product is the food supplement, is the best supplement, is the king of herbs, not only best supplement, king of herbs in the world, not only in Malaysia,
right,
not only in Nepal. So I
right,
impress his product, sir. I choose
right.
product. First impression is
Okay.
DSN product.
Mm-hmm. So, Minaram
Thank you, sir.
Bhai,
Yes.
as we know that you have started DXN business in Malaysia, you was only in Malaysia for 3 years only,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
But I want to know one thing: what confidence you have gotten in yourself to do this business? You were just consuming the product for your health,
Yes.
but what confidence it give in yourself to do the business?
When I use the product, when after 1 month I get bonus, I didn't forget 13 RM, Malaysian ringgit, 13 ringgit. I
13
get bonus,
ringgit.
but I say well, nothing 13 ringgit because around 300 ringgit I product I buy, I get 13 ringgit. I didn't care at that time. I don't care.
Ah,
After 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 4 months complete, I make star agent. At that time, my
right.
bonus is 520 ringgit RM, Malaysia. Wow,
Uh-huh.
very excited at that time. 500 ringgit is in Nepal, 15,000 rupees over, yeah. Very
Oh,
more money.
okay. I
Yeah.
believe 500 ringgit when you get it that time, it is almost the same like your salary in
Yeah, no,
Malaysia.
salary. My salary is only 200 ringgit, not 500
Oh
ringgit.
my God. 200
Yeah.
ringgit, not even 100 US dollar in Malaysia.
Yes,
It's very,
sure.
very less. My
No,
goodness. So
yeah,
that means
at
you
that
get
time
more
maybe
than,
company is shut down.
oh my goodness. So
Yeah.
250% salary increment.
Yes. That's why I'm excited.
Okay. Right, right, right. That's very good. So, Bhaiya, I want to know one thing. What inspired you in DXN? 500 ringgit was very big money for you, but what are other things that inspired you in DXN?
Wow. When complete the 12 month, I make star diamond. My bonus 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. At that
Wow.
time,
Wow.
4,000 ringgit bonus Malaysia, not now. Before 9 years, before 10 years.
Right, right.
So I am
That time,
inspired.
4,000 ringgit is very big money.
Very big money, yeah. At that time, very big money. Now also very big money.
Of course, it's big money. But those days, Minaram Bhai, when you started with your salary 200 ringgit, now
Yes,
the minimum salary in Malaysia is 1,000 ringgit. So
yes,
it increased
brother.
five folds. So just imagine
Yes,
4,000 is actually a big money those days when you earn, when you become star diamond. So that is a very good thing. And
yeah,
Bhaiya,
very
maybe you
good.
can tell us a little bit thing.
Okay.
When you become star diamond, are you only having members in Malaysia or you have members in globally? In short, what I wanted to find out here from you, how do you develop your business and team globally? I'm sure you have many members out of Malaysia, but how you manage to do this?
Yeah, actually, everybody know in this time, everybody have do meeting, Facebook Live, Instagram, WhatsApp, webinar, everything. Everybody can use this formula, first of all. And
Mm,
then second, don't forget lead your downline. Leading your people, leading your members, leading your leaders. Don't forget. In DXN, if you want to success, most important is follow your leader. If you can, every day can follow. If you cannot, today one time can follow. If you cannot also, 1 week one time must follow your leader.
right.
So
Minaram
my,
Bhaiya, how do you
yeah,
expect people to follow the leader? How? How can they follow the leader?
our lifestyle is freedom lifestyle. A lot of money
Okay,
lifestyle, happiness
right.
lifestyle. Yeah.
Hmm.
Our
No,
lifestyle is
Minaram
another
Bhaiya,
person from the different. Yeah.
yeah, I understand to follow a leader is not easy also. Why?
Yes.
Because at that point of time, you was very busy working in the factory, right?
Yes.
You work
Yes.
about 12 hours to 13 hours per day, and you only have got Sunday as your off day. That means
Yes.
solid 7 days you're working, and only one day you have got your off day. But how you manage to become Star Diamond just in 12 months, and today you become very successful. How you manage your time?
एक्चुअली भैया मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत लोग नेपाली
Please.
लोग भी है और
हाँ,
बंगला लोग भी
please.
है आप लोग के लिए।
Yes.
जब जो डिएक्शन जो बाहर से होता है ना कुछ भी नहीं होता, जब अंदर से आता है ना आप कल्पना भी कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि
Right.
डिएक्शन में ऐसा चीज है जो जब आप डिएक्शन में छिड़ने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है। बहुत लोग नेगेटिव सोचते हैं, नेगेटिव बोलते हैं, आप करना चाहते हैं डिएक्शन लेकिन वो बैक से आपको नेगेटिव बोल देते हैं, आप उसके पीछे
Right.
लगते हैं। लेकिन उसके
Hmm.
पीछे देखो, मैं एक आपके लिए, आप लोग के लिए मैं एक संदेश देना चाहता हूँ। आपके लाइफ में जो लोग नेगेटिव बोलते हैं ना उसके बैकग्राउंड बुझो, उसका कंपनी का सैलरी कितना है, वो बाइक चढ़ता है, बाइसाइकिल चढ़ता है, कार चढ़ता है, क्या चढ़ता है, लेकिन वो उसका पास खुद भी साइकिल भी नहीं है, उसके
Right.
पास पैसा भी नहीं है, उसका लाइफ फ्रीडम लाइफ भी नहीं है, लेकिन आप उसके बात सुनते हो। लेकिन जो डिएक्शन में आके 10 साल 12 साल के अंदर में इतना लाइफ स्टाइल चेंज किया, जो अभी कार में रहा है, बंगला में चढ़ रहा है, जो देश विदेश घूम रहा है, उसके बाद आप नहीं सुनते हो, लेकिन वो नेगेटिव पीपल के बात सुनते हो। सो वैसा आप ऐसा गलती करोगे ना, वो आप भी जिंदगी भर आप बाइसाइकिल भी चढ़ने वाला हैसियत आप नहीं बनाओगे, आपका लाइफ फ्रीडम लाइफ नहीं होगा। सो मैं आपके लिए ये संदेश देना चाह रहा हूं कि प्लीज गलती से भी नेगेटिव आदमी के पीछे मत लागो, गलती से भी नकारात्मक आदमी के पीछे मत लागो, पॉजिटिव आदमी के संगत करो। आप लोग भी क्राउन डायमंड नहीं है, क्राउन एम्बेसडर बन जाएगा, लेकिन धैर्य तो चाहिए ना।
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
brother.
maybe I translate a little bit in English.
Okay.
What is Mr. Minaram is trying to say is this: if you want to become successful in life, you please follow the positive people, because the positive people will lead you for the success in your life. The positive people will make you somebody. The positive people basically will show you the right path for your success in whatever ventures you go for. But if you were to follow negative person, you will basically stand nowhere at the end of the day. And eventually you will also become the same as per the negative person. Meaning to say, you will have the same character as the negative person. Yeah, Minaram bhai, continue.
Yes. Thank you very much. So, कति जना सब can you speak Nepali also?
Okay. Okay, अलिकति.
ओके सब जतिजना मलाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ सबैजना, तपाईँहरू सबैजना नमस्ते। फेरि पनि जतिजना लाइभ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, म एकदमै खुसी छु तपाईँहरूको माझमा म धेरै पछि फेसबुक लाइभमा आएको छु। साँच्चैकै यो मेरो लागि बडो चाहिँ सौभाग्यपूर्ण समय हो, किनभने तपाईँहरू यति धेरै मान्छेलाई मैले देखिराखेको छु। आशा छ तपाईँहरूले बुझे पनि नबुझे पनि आफ्नो जीवनमा परिवर्तन चाहिँ ल्याउनुहोस्, थोरै भए पनि परिवर्तन ल्याउनुहोस्। अहिले नथिङ हुनुहुन्छ, जीवनमा एक दिन समथिङ हुनुहोस्। अहिले केही पनि हुनुहुन्न, तर एक दिन केही मान्छे चाहिँ बन्नुहोस्। बाँच्न त भिख मागेर खाने मान्छे पनि बाँचिराखेको हुन्छ नि, तर जिउन जान्नु पर्यो जीवनमा, त्यो जिउने कला सिकाउँछ डिएक्सनले। थ्याङ्क यू ब्रदर, थ्याङ्क यू भेरी
Yeah,
मच।
okay, fantastic. Yeah, so today we are covering 3 languages. Wow. Yeah, actually, language is not the problem.
Yes,
You
brother,
know,
yes.
yeah, the problem is only us, the mindset, because we are not opening our mind. However, Minaram bhai, can you please tell us, today you become executive double crown diamond. How many
Yes,
total
sir.
members you have got in your group?
45,000 around.
Wow. And can you please tell us
45,000.
how many star diamond you have got in total in your team?
230.
230
diamond.
diamonds.
Yes.
Wow. That is really fantastic. But don't worry, I'm not going to ask about your bonus. That is going to be confidential. But
Yes, sir.
what inspired me, Minaram bhai, 200 over diamonds,
Yes.
it's not a simple task. I'm very sure you have gone through so many challenges in this business. Can you please share with us what is the biggest challenges you have faced in this business? आपने ऐसा कौन सा बड़ा challenges जो आपने face किया इन business में और आपने manage कैसे किया?
जब मैं डीएक्शन शुरू किया था उसके बाद मैं डायमंड हो गया था। डायमंड के बाद एक इपो में एक मीटिंग किया था। वो मीटिंग में ऑफिस में वो एक सच स्टोरी है। उस टाइम में मेरा मालूम नहीं था कि डीएक्शन का प्रोडक्ट में डेट किधर होता है, क्योंकि मैं डेट देखने के लिए डीएक्शन में नहीं आया था। मेरा पेट का जो दर्द था वो ठीक करने के लिए डीएक्शन में आया था। तो उस टाइम जब मीटिंग कर रहा था उस टाइम एक नेगेटिव पीपुल आ गया, इतना नेगेटिव। वो इपो का वो डॉन था, नेपाली डॉन था, उधर का डॉन था नेपाली। तो उसने बोला कि तुम्हारा डीएक्शन का प्रोडक्ट में डेट किधर है। सो उधर वो सैंपल था 2-3-4 साल का पहला का जो सैंपल डीएक्शन का आरजीजीएल था, उधर वो खाली डिब्बा था। वो प्रोडक्ट में उसको दिखाया, तब वो बोला इसमें तो डेट ही नहीं है, तो क्या बिजनेस कर रहा है, तुमको
डेट का
पुलिस केस
मतलब क्या
कर
है?
दूंगा।
एक्सपायरी डेट? आर यू ट्राइंग टू से एक्सपायरी डेट? ओके, तो मुझे थोड़ा ट्रांसलेट करने दीजिए, आधा आप बोलिए आधा मैं बोलता हूँ, ठीक है ना?
हाँ, ओके।
Actually, there was a meeting going on in Ipoh in which Mr. Minaram has attended that meeting, and basically Mr. Minaram has got no interest in that meeting because Mr. Minaram has got some problem with his gastric. He was just there to know the solution for his gastric, but he was never interested with any other thing. In that meeting, what had happened, there was one guy with a very negative mindset. He stood up and he says, why DXN product does not have any expiry dates? And all those products, the bottle which was used to display on the rack, he took that bottle and he said, you have got all empty bottles. There is no any expiry dates. There is no product inside. So what you guys are doing? कंटिन्यू करें मीनाराम भाई।
वाह, उस टाइम में जब मैं देखा वो बोला आपका पुलिस केस कर दूंगा, मैं तो डर गया। मैं बोला उसको ये तो खाली बोतल है भाई, खा के रखा है, लेकिन वो भी रखना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ऑफिस है यह है। सो उस टाइम से मेरे के लिए चैलेंज ये आया कि नेगेटिव पीपल, जो आदमी नेगेटिव है, जो आदमी मूर्ख है, जो आदमी पागल है, उसका फेस करने के लिए बहुत खुला चैलेंज बड़े आया है भैया। जब मैं उसका ये ऐसा फेस किया कि उसको मैं दिखाया, इफ डीएक्शन प्रोडक्ट गलती है तो WHO क्यों बोलता है किंग ऑफ ऑप्स।
Okay. Actually, what had happened in that meeting, Mr. Minaram was listening from the negative man. He says that you have got the product bottles displayed on the rack. There is no product. It's just an empty bottle. There is no expiry date on the bottles. Mr. Minaram felt this guy is a negative person. He don't want to listen to what is actually the speaker is talking about, the DXN. But he just assume and he make a statement that I will go to the police, I will report because you guys are not doing a right business. You should not display empty bottles and whatnot. So according to Mr. Minaram, this is a negative person and he should not make such a statement. If the WHO or the world is saying that Ganoderma is a king of herb, then why is he not accepting this fact?
Correct.
Yes, Minaram bhai, go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, so at that time, that moments, I am actually, if in my life, if I didn't get that case, today I cannot be executive double crown diamond.
Yes.
So meaning to say, challenge.
Your success basically comes when you really challenge your obstacles. Yeah, you really take this as a challenge to find your way for the growth of the business.
आपको मैं थोड़ा स्टोरी भी बताना चाहता हूँ। आपको मालूम है जब हम लोग सिंगापुर गया था, सिंगापुर से आने के टाइम में जो मलेशिया में अभी मेरा वो मन काम रहा है वो स्टोरी सुन के। आपको मालूम है हमरे के लिए तो हार गुहार करने का आदमी आप ही भगवान था और कोई तो कोई नहीं था ना। उस टाइम में पुलिस कितना कुटा मेरे को, 7 दिन खाना नहीं खाया भैया मैं। आपको मालूम है ना क्योंकि हम उस टाइम में फैक्ट्री वर्कर था। फैक्ट्री वर्कर इतना पैसा कैसा कमाता है, ऐसा बिजनेस कैसा करता है, फैक्ट्री वर्कर कैसा मतलब सिंगापुर घूमता है, वो ऐसा बात किया था ना उस टाइम में, बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था।
ओके, मैं ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ। Actually, what had happened, Mr. Minaram, yes, we all know he was working in a factory, and there was a meeting going on in Singapore. Yeah. And Mr. Minaram has decided to go to Singapore, in which I personally was there also in the Singapore meeting. and we have got about 40 over diamonds from Malaysia. They cross over the Singapore border and they joined the meeting with Dr. Lim Xiaojin.
Yes.
So
Correct.
when he was going through the immigration, the officer basically has asked him this question: why are you going Singapore? For what? You are a factory worker. What are you going to do in Singapore? So in his mind, he's just a simple man. He's just going there just for DXN, nothing else than that. Not even holiday also. When he came back, his return trip, when he get into DXN immigration, Malaysia, they question him. You are a factory worker. How you have got money to go to Singapore? And all this question basically was playing around in his mind, and he had problem at the immigration. This problem was basically playing around in his mind for 5 days. He cannot even sleep. He cannot even eat because this question immediately comes in his mind every day, that how is it possible for him to cross Singapore? What he going to do there? You are such a simple person working in a factory. You don't have much money. How could it be possible you go to Singapore? This is what was playing around in Minaram's mind. And he also says that when he got stuck in the immigration, I was there to go and rescue him. So he cannot forget that that moment, that date. Because what had happened, if let's say he will get caught, then checkmate. He cannot continue his working, but he will be sent back to Nepal. So start from that kind of challenges which he had gone through. Today he become stronger, bolder, and successful. Minaram,
Yeah, thank
continue.
you. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So, in our life, every time, any moment, you have a lot of challenge. Not for my life only. Your life also you have a challenging. So please don't far for your challenge. आप लोग का जिंदगी में इतना चैलेंज आता है ना, उस चैलेंज से फाइट करो, उस चैलेंज से जूझो. जितना आपका जीवन में चैलेंज आता है ना, आपका जीवन में उतना निखार आता है. सो मैं उस टाइम में मैं अभी याद करता हूं, देवीराज भैया बोला था, भैया आप पुलिस का कुटाई नहीं खाया तो आप डीएसएन में हराने वाला थे, अब पुलिस का कुटाई खाया आप क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनने वाला है. वो ऐसा बोल दिया. मेरा रिस्क है भैया मेरे टाइम में.
Okay, मुझे ट्रांसलेट करने दीजिए.
Okay,
So
भैया.
basically, what had happened, Mr. Deviraj, he's one of our leader also, and he has given one statement, statement of motivation to Mr. Minaram. Just because of the policeman who disturbs you, the immigration man who disturb you, today, because of all that disturb, you has become successful, executive double crown diamond. If there is no one who have disturbed you, I don't think so you will become successful. So there must be someone in the life that would challenge you, and with that challenge you take up positively, you will be basically able to override everything. Yes, Minaram bhai.
तो मैं आप लोग को भी मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, आपका ऑफलाइन कभी गाली करता है ना, आप लोग को लगता है आपको यार ये मेरा क्यों गाली देता है, लगता है यार आप लोग को यार ये इसका में क्या है यार, मेरा बाप का नाता नहीं है, मदर का नाता नहीं है, सिस्टर का नाता नहीं है, डोंट हैव रिलेशन आल्सो, ही क्राइंग मी ऑलवेज, हाउ कैन आई कंट्रोल समबडी एंग्री, डोंट एंग्री, आप लोग ठीक से काम करो.
Yeah, so let me translate, Minaram bhai. So what Minaram is saying is this: even though today, if your upline called you, if your upline scolded you, if your upline guided you, if your upline called you, please, please, please don't be negative. They actually want you to be successful. They actually want you to be successful. Even though you do not have any relationship with your upline. But remember, in this DXN system, every uplines want their downline success. Continue करें.
Yeah, sure. So please भाइ लोग, जो जितना बंगला साथी है, जितना जति जना नेपाली साथीहरु हुनुहुन्छ, कृपया आपका जो अपलाइन जब गाली देता है ना, आप सोचिए वो भगवान आशीर्वाद दे रहा है, आपका लाइफ में कुछ होने वाला है यार, आपका लाइफ में कुछ चमत्कार आने वाला है, इसलिए तो वो गाली दे रहा है ना. वो बोल रहा है कि आपका जीवन में करोड़पति बन जाओ यार, आपका क्या दिक्कत है, आप करके दिखाओ यार.
Yeah.
कोई दिक्कत
So
तो नहीं है
basically
ना.
what Minaram is trying to say, your upline is just like a god. Whenever he scold you, that means you should take this as a blessings, because there is someone obsessed there. He wants something better. to happen in your life. If he says that you can be successful, you work with them, definitely you will be successful. If they scold you, you please take this as a positive one, because he wants you to change to ensure you become a better person tomorrow.
किनभने म त्यसको जो मैं आप लोग का खुद उदाहरण बन गया हूं, क्योंकि जब मेरा अपलाइन जो पुकार सर, देवराज सर, जो मेरा जितना स्पॉन्सर लोग था, वो जब मेरे को गाली दिया था उस टाइम में मैं नेगेटिव होकर उसके पास मैं फाइट करके मैं टाढ़ा हो गया, तो फिर आज मैं मीनाराम खटका कौन होता है? कोई कुछ भी नहीं होता है। कैसा एजुकेटिव डबल क्राउन डायमंड होता है? उसका जो बोली था, उसका जो गाली था, उसके मैं आशीर्वाद के तरफ से लिया, सो आज मैं एजुकेटिव डबल क्राउन डायमंड बन गया।
Okay, मुझे बोलने दीजिए थोड़ा थोड़ा, हाँ? Alikuti Alikuti.
Okay.
Actually, Mr. Minaram is very much thankful to the upline like Deviraj Srestha, Pukar Chantial, just because of their what do you call hard work, just because of their guidance. Even though there was times that they scolded Mr. Minaram left and right, they had scolded him. Even some bad words also was being used. But today, Minaram is basically very, very thankful to Mr. Deviraj and also Mr. Pukar. If it's not them, today Mr. Minaram Katka is not going to be successful, and maybe he will not even achieve the executive double crown diamond. Today, there was a time that Mr. Minaram hates the upline, but today he loves the upline like anything. It's just like they are a god for him.
Yes. So मैं आप लोग को यही बोलना चाहता हूं कि आप लोग जब डिएक्शन में आ गया ना, कुछ आदमी का लगता है यार मैं किधर, मेरा अपलाइन किधर ले आके फंसाया यार। ए भाई यार, आप लोग नहीं नहाते हैं क्या? कॉफी नहीं पीते हैं क्या? कपड़े नहीं धोते क्या? वही तो हम कर रहा है ना। हम सिर्फ यही कर रहा है कि हम ब्रांड चेंज कर रहा है। कल हम थोड़ा एबीसीडी साबुन से नहाते हैं, आज डीएक्शन का ज्ञानोजी साबुन से नहा रहा है। कल हम एबीसीडी टूथपेस्ट प्रयोग करते हैं, आज हम ज्ञानोजी टूथपेस्ट प्रयोग कर रहा है। वो ब्रांड चेंज कर रहा है ना। आप कैसा फंस रहा है यार? आपका मनी तो सेव हो रहा है ना। बाद है महंगा या सस्ता का, महंगा के लिए तो क्वालिटी भी है, आपके खाता में पैसा भी आएगा ना। अभी देखो मेरे खाता में अभी कितना हजार टूथपेस्ट फ्री आता है, कितना हजार कॉफी फ्री आता है, आप लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं? तो इमेजिन भी कर नहीं सकते। सो आप लोग का मेरा संदेश यही है कि आपका लाइफ स्टाइल भी हमारा से ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस होना चाहिए, ज्यादा फ्रीडम होना चाहिए। यस
ओके, मुझे थोड़ा बोलने दीजिए, नहीं तो भूल जाऊंगा।
हाँ जी।
Okay, according to Mr. Minaram, this business is very simple. Just like if you are consuming any coffee at home or even a toothpaste, ABC brand, just change to DXN. If you are drinking any ABC coffee, just drink Lindsay coffee. If you are consuming toothpaste, ABC, just change to Ganosi toothpaste. And with this change of brand, basically you will be able to earn some returns. And the same concepts, if you duplicate and you introduce to people and they join you, slowly but surely from small money you will be able to make big money. And when you start making big money, basically you can see in your group there are so many free toothpaste and free coffees are coming in your team. Who is going to give you this? So no one. So it's just a change of brand. Simple business. Change your mind,
Yeah.
change your brand. Minaram bhai.
Yeah. Can I say Siki Mole Bahasa Melayu?
Boleh.
Selamat pagi sama orang. Saya punya diamond pun ada Malaysia, orang Melayu, ladies. All my supervisor, my company supervisor. So saya tahu itu masa saya banyak susah lah buat DXN, banyak susah. Tapi sekarang sudah senang. Apa saya? Sebab saya buat DXN betul-betul, tak ada main-main. Orang Malaysia ada cakap main-main kan, you buat main-main kah? Saya tak ada main-main, saya buat betul-betul DXN. Itu pas saya sudah jadi executive double crown diamond. Tapi saya punya ada goal lah, saya mau jadi crown ambassador juga. So banyak orang ada Melayu pun ada tengok saya punya respectable leaders. I will salute all of you. Your all work also hard. Thank you very much, brother. Itu saja.
Yeah. Okay, that's very good. So Minaram bhai, I want to check with you something.
Okay.
are you satisfied with your achievement today? And what is your future plan?
Yeah, absolutely. I am satisfied because before joining the DXN, Mr. Miyaram Khatka is nothing. After joining the DXN, now is something. That's why my achievement 100% I am satisfied. But my future plan is I will go for CA. My
Yes.
goal is CA. Yeah, everybody. I will thankful my team leaders. A lot of downlines now in our scheme, our Facebook live. A lot of my downline also CA. I will give you thanks for all of you also because ये जीत मेरा नहीं है भाई लोग, ये जीत आप लोग का है. जब आज मैं एजुकेटिव गोल्ड क्राउन डायमंड हूं ना, आप लोग के जो परिश्रम था ना, उसके वजह से आज मैं एजुकेटिव डबल क्राउन डायमंड हो गया. सो आप लोग के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक देना चाहता हूं भैया. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच
Yeah.
फॉर योर बेस्ट
Especially
क्वेश्चन.
Mr. Minaram is thanking all his leaders, all his members, just because of their hard work, just because the togetherness. Today, Mr. Minaram has become executive double crown diamond. If it's not all of you, today he's nobody. So he's very, very thankful for all the line of leaders who has been working all these years and make him successful. And the same wishes also from Minaram to all their team that one day you all also will need to become successful. So Minaram bhai, maybe you
Yes,
can
sir.
tell us something. आपका फ्यूचर प्लान तो क्राउन एम्बेसडर बनना है, राइट? सो उसके बाद क्या है? अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्राउन एम्बेसडर आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? व्हाट यू प्लान टू डू अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्राउन एम्बेसडर?
मैं वर्ल्ड टूर करना चाहता हूं भैया. 50
I know
वर्ष
that
के
you're going to
अंदर में
say.
इतना वर्ल्ड टूर करना चाहता हूँ ना, कमती में अभी 200 150 से ज्यादा देश घूमना चाहिए ना. अभी तो हो गया
Yes,
25-30 देश तो हो गया, 25-30 देश तो घूम
yes,
गया हूँ, लेकिन ये थोड़ा होगा.
yeah,
सो
yeah.
मेरा जब आफ्टर क्राउन एम्बेसडर के बाद में मेरा वही प्लान है, वर्ल्ड टूर करना है. तो मर के क्या लाना है
Yes,
यार, फ्रीडम से जीना है ना. सो
right.
संसार तो
So
देखना ही पड़ेगा
basically,
ना
Mr.
भैया.
Minaram, after he become crown ambassador, he has a plan that he wants to do a world tour. He wants to go everywhere and enjoy, to have the freedom, to enjoy the freedom. And of course, I believe wherever there is a DXN office, for sure, Minaram Bhai is going to go there and help the people also. I think this is something which is very good, Mr. Minaram. We hope that your dreams come true. We hope that whatever work you are into in ventures, any ventures, your support to your team members is always there. And I'm very, very sure you will definitely be the youngest crown ambassador. We are very, very sure for that. Now, Mr. Minaram, maybe you can share with us something. At this present moment, you are in Kathmandu, right?
यस, काठमाडौँ या.
Yeah. Can you please share with us how is the situation of lockdown in Kathmandu and how do you do your DXN business there?
या सो आप लोग का, सब लोग का था है, नेपाल में अभी सिस्टम कार्यान्वयन नहीं हो गया है. हम लोग का बहुत मुश्किल है. जो अभी नेपाल में प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है ना, जो हम लोग तो इधर वो न्यू विवेक से प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, वो उसके पास भी अभी प्रोडक्ट कम है, क्योंकि जो लॉकडाउन की वजह से फ्लाइट भी नहीं हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत आज 7-8 महीने हो गया ना. लेकिन डीएस का सिस्टम इतना चमत्कार है यार. हम लोग जो जब भी ये प्रोडक्ट शॉर्टेज है ना, लेकिन भी हम लोग कमजोर नहीं होगा, और ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया यार, क्योंकि हम ऑनलाइन मीटिंग कर रहा है, ग्लोबली बिजनेस बढ़ा रहा है ना. सो अभी लॉकडाउन के वजह से इस बीच में 15 देश में मेरा टीम पहुंच गया भैया. अभी टोटली 50 कंट्री कवर हो गया. 50 देश से ज्यादा कंट्री में मेरा टीम पहुंच गया. लेकिन लॉकडाउन से पहले 30 कंट्री में 35 कंट्री ओनली था. अभी 50 कंट्री में पहुंच गया. वही तो मजा है ना. यस.
Wow. Okay.
Very
So basically,
fantastic.
Mr. Minaram is very happy now. Even though in this pandemic situation, his team is growing, and he have got members from 50 over countries, which is working in his group. So he's very, very happy and thankful to every one of them. Yeah. So Minaram bhai, boliye.
Wow. So I will say thanks all of you. 50 कंट्री से जो मुझे लगता है 15-20 कंट्री से तो अभी भी लाइव आप लोग देखते हैं। जितना लोग आप लोग लाइव देख रहा है ना, फिलीपींस है, इंडोनेशिया है, मलेशिया है, आप लोग अमेरिका से है, इंडिया से है, नेपाल से है, आप लोग का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है यार। आप लोग के वजह से आज जो मिनाराम खटका का जो लेवल है ना, आप लोग की वजह से बन गया। मैं कभी भी नहीं भूलूंगा। आप लोग का पावर से मेरा और ज्यादा एनर्जी भर रहा है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल ऑफ यू। 50 कंट्री का जो लोग है, मैं मेरा ड्रीम था 50 कंट्री नहीं है, जितना जिधर जिधर डॉक्टर लिम पहुंच रहा है ना, उधर उधर पुगना चाहिए ना। कितना मेहनत करके डॉक्टर लिम खड़ा कर रहा है। तो हम लोग के लिए तो जो हमारा इंजीनियर नहीं चाहिए, सर्वे करना नहीं चाहिए, वो रास्ता ओपन है ना यार। तो इसलिए वर्ल्ड वाइड पहुंचना चाहिए। आप सब लोग के लिए मैं शुभकामना दिए चाह रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
या सो मीनाराम भाई, दरअसल आप ये बता सकते हैं कि अभी भी नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है, तो
Yes.
फिर भी आप डीएक्शन कैसे कर पा रहे हो? आप अपने टीम को कैसे मॉनिटर कर पा रहे हो? आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करें। मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश में भी बोलता हूँ कि सिंस देयर इज नो एनी डायरेक्ट सेलिंग सिस्टम अवेलेबल इन नेपाल, but how basically you are monitoring your team which is out of Nepal? They are still working in the system. How do you monitor them? How do you motivate them? And what do you do in Nepal when there is no system? What are you doing? Maybe you just share with us a little bit.
ओके, आप लोग का सब लोग का मालूम है कि नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग नेपाल से भी डीएक्शन शुरुआत नहीं किया था ना, इसकी वजह से उतना मुश्किल तो नहीं है। लेकिन मुझे ये लगता है कि जो नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है, लेकिन सारा दुनिया में सिस्टम है नहीं यार। सारा दुनिया में देखो, अभी हम कितना देश का आदमी अभी इधर है, कितना देश का हम 20-25 देश का कंट्री का आदमी हम लाइव में है अभी। सो कैसा मुश्किल है यार, मुश्किल तो नहीं है ना। तो इसलिए नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है तो क्या होगा यार। जितना लोग नेपाल से देख रहा है, नेपाल में है, आप लोग के मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ यार, भाई यार नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है तो क्या बात है यार। वर्ल्ड खाली है ना, वर्ल्ड का जो पॉपुलेशन है कैलकुलेशन करो, 7 और पॉपुलेशन में डीएक्शन में हम लोग 1 करोड़ है, 90 लाख से ज्यादा है। सो कि सारा दुनिया खाली है ना। सो इसलिए नेपाल में सिस्टम नहीं है तो हमारा बिजनेस वन वर्ल्ड वन मार्केट का है। हम नेपाल में नहीं है, हम बाहर में है तो अच्छा होगा। नेपाल में है तो फिर हम बाहर में व्यवसाय बिजनेस कर सकते हैं ना भैया। या थैंक यू।
या सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी गुड मीनाराम भाई। नाउ आप थोड़ा ये बताइए कि जब आप एग्जीक्यूटिव डबल क्राउन डायमंड बने थे, आई एम वेरी श्योर यू फेस सो मेनी नेगेटिव पीपल. How
Yes.
do you handle these negative people? I'm sure you face in and out negative people, but how you handle them? How you manage them?
सबसे पहले मैं वो नेगेटिव पीपल से मैं बात विवाद नहीं करते। वो नेगेटिव पीपल का तो जब भी वो उसका ठुला स्वर होता है, वो झगड़े करने टाइप से आता है ना, लेकिन उससे हम झुकना चाहिए। वो नेगेटिव पीपल के पास मैं जब भी झुकता हूँ, जी करता हूँ, मैं हाथ ढोकता हूँ कि आप जैसा बुद्धिमान आदमी ये दुनिया में कोई नहीं है। मैं ऐसा जब बोलता हूँ ना, वो मक्ख हो जाता है, वो इतना खुश हो जाता है, वो जितना नेगेटिव पन उसका 50% डाउन हो जाता है। आफ्टर दैट मैं उस लोग के मैं बोलता हूँ कि यार भाई यार मैं भी आप जैसा नेगेटिव था, क्योंकि मैं भी वैसा जैसा बनना चाहिए ना। वैसा जैसा नहीं, उसका जैसा नहीं बनेगा तो फिर वो कैसा पॉजिटिव हो रहा है। लेकिन अभी डीएक्शन के वजह से मेरा लाइफ चेंज हो गया। सो नेगेटिव पीपल से जो आप लोग के लाइफ में भी बहुत कुछ नेगेटिव पीपल आ रहा है, डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, आपके बिजनेस में ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है, आपका बैकबाइटिंग कर रहा है। सो उसके पास आप डोंट फाइट विथ हिम। Yeah, brother.
So actually what Mr. Minaram is trying to say, if you face any negative people, yeah, usually he don't talk much with them, but he just try to be friend with them, and from there he will explain, I was once upon a time also a negative person, but today I have changed my life. So in another words, there is a way how we handle the negative people. That does not mean that we immediately ignore them, but there must be a way how we want to overcome them so that we could become a good friends. Sahi na Minaram bhai?
Yes, 100% brother.
Yes, yes. So मीनाराम भाई, मैं आपसे कुछ बात करना भी चाहता हूँ और बहुत सारी बात भी करना चाहता हूँ, बट टाइम हमारे साथ इतना ज्यादा नहीं है। So Firbi, I would like to say thank you to you, Minaram Bhai, for whatever you have shared with us. But maybe before we say thank you to everybody, would you mind to give your last message to all the DXN family? Because today we have got people from Pakistan, we have got people from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Singapore, from Philippines, from Nepal, from India. So there are many people today on live watching you, the youngest executive double crown diamond. Please give us your wonderful message that inspired the rest of the people online today.
Thank you very much, all of you. Worldwide, DXN Worldwide. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for our listening Facebook Live. I would like to request everybody, please, if you're doing to do DXN business, don't leave. Don't leave. Please, you do continue, continue, continue. My first message is this: don't leave. Everybody have a challenging. If you have also challenge, for me also challenge. First, CA Buddhiman Salim also have challenge. Mr. Ligika also have a challenge. So everybody have a challenge. So my message is, don't break your business. Don't break your DXN business. To do continue. मेरा यही SMS है भाई लोग, आप लोग का, कि आप लोग के जीवन में इतना ज्यादा मुश्किल है व्यवसाय करने के लिए, मेरे मालूम है। मैं आप जाने टाइम में मैं आप लोग का ये संदेश देना चाह रहा हूँ, प्लीज आप लोग कंटिन्यू बिजनेस करें, कंटिन्यू करें, क्योंकि ये व्यवसाय में सक्सेस का ये भी एक फॉर्मूला है। तो लगातार करो, लगातार करो, लगातार करो। 5 साल के बाद, 10 साल के बाद आपका लाइफ देखो जो आप भी कल्पना कर नहीं सकते, क्योंकि आज मैं कल्पना कर नहीं सकता हूं ना जो आज मेरा लाइफ जो बन रहा है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचा था ना जब मैं फर्स्ट में DXN में आ रहा था। तो उस टाइम में मैं क्या ऐसा तो नहीं सोचा था ना, लेकिन DXN के वजह से आज इतना लाइफ स्टाइल चेंज हो गया। सो प्लीज डू कंटिन्यू इन दिस बिजनेस।
Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Thank you very much, Minaram Bhai. Thank you very much for your wonderful sharing. Thank you for inspiring all the people who are online today. And I would like just to say one thing. Thank you very much for helping DXN. Thank you very much for helping all the members out there to make their dreams come true. And we would like to say congratulations once again for your wonderful achievement. And we wish you all the best for your future. And of course, your
1
dream
minute, I can talk Nepali.
Crown Ambassador. Yeah, please. I'll be
Nepali,
very happy.
I tell one.
Nepali
I tell
bolनुहोस्।
one. Yeah, नेपाली बोल्छु सर। ओके सर। सो नेपालमा जाँदा जाँदै म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा सानो स्टोरी के भन्न चाहन्छु भने, एउटा हरिण र बाघमा तपाईलाई थाहा छ पर आवर बाघ भन्दा हरिण 15 किलोमिटर फास्ट दौड्छ। त्यो तपाईलाई सबैलाई थाहा भएको कुरा हो, यो मैले फेसबुकमा पनि शेयर गरेको थिएँ। तर त्यो बाघले हरिणलाई खाइरहेको हुन्छ। खासमा बाघले हरिणलाई खान नहुने हो नि। किन भन्नुहुन्छ भने बाघ भन्दा त हरिण यति फास्ट कुद्छ नि, तर पहिले उसको दिमागमा के हुन्छ, हरिणको दिमागमा भने बाघले मलाई खान्छ। ए भगवान, उसको दिमागमा यो किन घुसेन कि बाघ भन्दा म 15 किलोमिटर म अगाडि दौड्न सक्छु भने म त अटोमेटिकली सेफ छु नि, कसरी मलाई बाघले खान्छ भन्ने कुरा उसको दिमागमा कहिले घुसेन। कि उसको दिमागमा यही घुस्यो कि मलाई बाघले खान्छ। त्यसो भएको कारणले गर्दा कतिपय मान्छेहरू सफल हुनु भएको छैन। कारण के हो त भने तपाईलाई कसैले खाएको छैन, तपाईलाई आफ्नो आफै जो नेगेटिभ सोच उत्पादन गर्नुहुन्छ तपाई आफैले, जसले तपाईलाई खाइरहेको छ, जसले गर्दा तपाई आज डायमन्ड बन्न सक्नु भएको छैन। लाग्दैन कि तपाईको मनमा यो छैन कि म डायमन्ड बन्छु, लाग्दैन कि तपाईको मनमा क्राउन डायमन्ड बन्छु। तपाईलाई पहिल्यै तपाईलाई खाइसकेको छ कि म सक्दैन। तपाईको दिमागमा भूतले बास गरिसकेको छ। त्यो राक्षस, त्यो भूतलाई आजदेखि तपाईले किक आउट गरिदिनुस्। तपाईको दिमागमा RGGL को मात्रा बढाइदिनुस् कि त्यसले अक्सिजन पैदा गर्छ, कि त्यसले सकारात्मक जीवनमा एउटा सफल व्यक्तित्व बन्नको लागि त्यसले एकदम ठुलो भूमिका प्रवाह गर्न सक्छ। त्यसो भएको हुनाले आजको दिनदेखि तपाईको जीवनमा कतै यस्ता नेगेटिभ राजले बास गरिरहेको छ भने त्यो नेगेटिभ राजलाई नष्ट गरिदिनुस्। जसको पनि, मेरो पनि जीवनमा नेगेटिभ बास गरेको हुन्छ, तर त्यसलाई मैले किल गर्न सक्नु पर्यो। तपाईको जीवनमा पनि त्यो हुन सक्छ। काश मेरो कम्पनी राम्रो भइदिएको भए, काश मेरो कम्पनी, मेरो ठाउँ राम्रो भइदिएको भए, मेरो जब राम्रो भइदिएको भए म पनि आज चाहिँ क्राउन डायमन्ड बन्थे होला भनेर धेरै मान्छेले ब्लेम पनि लगाउनुहुन्छ। त्यो कारण पनि तपाई आफै हो। तपाई जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ, जुन ठाउँमा हुनुहुन्छ, जुन परिस्थितिमा हुनुहुन्छ, त्यो ठाउँबाट उठ्नुस्। त्यो ठाउँलाई सामना गर्न सिक्नुहोस्, नयाँ ठाउँ नखोज्नुहोस्। कतिपय साथीहरू मलेसिया हुनुहुन्छ, मलेसियाबाट नेपाल आउनुहुन्छ, नेपालबाट फेरि दुबई जानुहुन्छ, दुबईबाट फेरि अर्को देश जानुहुन्छ। जाँदा जाँदा बिचरा उहाँहरूको पासपोर्टमा भिसा हान्ने म्याथै सकिन्छ, अनि कहिले गर्ने डिएक्सन। त्यो भएको हुनाले आफ्नो ठाउँलाई लिभ गर्ने प्रयास नगर्नुहोस्। तपाईँ जुन ठाउँमा हुनुहुन्छ त्यही ठाउँबाट व्यवसाय सुरु गर्नुहोस्। तपाईँ जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ त्यही धरातलबाट उठ्न सिक्नुहोस्। बच्चालाई देख्नु भएको छ कहिले? बच्चा जन्मदै बोल्दैन, बच्चा जन्मदै कुनै ल्याङ्ग्वेज लिएर आएको हुँदैन, बच्चा जन्मदै पर्फेक्ट हुँदैन, तर ऊ जुन परिवारमा हुर्किन्छ ऊ नेपाली परिवारमा हुर्किन्छ, नेपाली बोल्छ। मलय परिवारमा जन्मन्छ, मलय बोल्छ। तामिल परिवारमा जन्मिन्छ, तामिल बोल्छ। सो हामीले हाम्रो संस्कार, हाम्रो चाहिँ व्यवस्थापन, हाम्रो कमजोरीलाई त हामी आफैले बनाउने हो नि। एउटा सामान्य बच्चाले त आफ्नो माहौल भविष्यलाई क्रिएट गर्न सक्छ भने हामी त बच्चा होइन नि, हामी त ठुलो मान्छे हो, हामी त विद्वान मान्छे हो। हामी त फ्रिडम खोज्नको लागि दौडिरहेका छौँ, त्यो पनि डिएक्सन जस्तो प्लेटफर्ममा, त्यो पनि हाम्रो आशिष भैया जस्तो व्यक्तित्व हामीले गाइडेन्स गर्नको लागि यस्तो आदरणीय व्यक्तित्व पाएका छौँ होइन। दातो डाक्टर लिम्ची जस्तो व्यक्तित्व हामीले पाएका छौँ होइन। हामी यस्तो प्लेटफर्म भन्दा मलाई लाग्दैन कि अन्त हामीले काहीँ पनि पाउँदैनौँ। सो थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच दातो डाक्टर लिम्सियोजिन फर योर वान वर्ल्ड, वान मार्केट, वान कन्सेप्ट, वान माइन्ड। वाओ, थ्याङ्क यू ब्रदर।
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Okay, Minaram bhai, I've got some surprise for you.
Okay.
Can you please tell us who is this person in this photo?
Wow. Old hero and heroine.
Okay.
DXN hero.
So who is this person?
As definitely executive double crown diamond. Pooja Khatka and Minaram Khatka.
So, is this your wife?
Yes, my beautiful wife.
Yeah. And how about this photo? Minaram bhai,
Wow,
you brought her to
visit.
Malaysia?
Farm visit in Malaysia, yeah. For my first honeymoon at that time, yeah. I went
First
to
honeymoon
Singapore
in
also.
Malaysia?
Yes.
Wow. That is
When
really,
I married, direct I went to Malaysia, Singapore and Thailand in Caribbean cruise.
Wow. That is very, very good. And I believe this is...
Wow, a lot
This
of
is in
people
the-
here.
This must be your
Dilip
honeymoon
Kumar Rai,
picture,
Vijay
right?
Budamagar, yeah, Tilbadur Rana, a lot of people here there.
Ah, okay. How about this one, Minaram bhai?
Wow,
Where is
my
this?
first double diamond is Jagendra Bhandari, my first double diamond.
Okay. And where was this picture taken?
Picture taken Vietnam, oh, bhaiya, very mistake, oh. Vietnam?
I don't think so.
No, ITSI,
I
maybe
remember.
IT.
You have got so many
ITSI,
photos.
remember.
This is basically in India.
Delhi, India. Yeah, Taj Mahal.
Delhi.
Near of
Correct,
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Taj Mahal.
You can remember. And how about
Yes.
this, Minaram bhai? You look so different.
Wow. At that time, I am only diamond, 2012.
Ah, okay.
In
And
Singapore,
you
bus
were
station.
with Dr. Lim.
Yeah. In Dr. Lim side, my dynamic leader, Tekendra Oli also. He is now
Okay.
executive double diamond. His
That's
team
good.
also very, very good.
And what is this photo
Wow.
all about?
Wow, all of oh, thank you very much. तपाईहरु सबैजनालाई मैले सम्झेको छु है फेसबुक लाइभ हेरिराख्नु भएको छ भने वाउ at that time I do training of trainers.
Train the trainers.
3 day, yeah, 3-day training I do at that time.
Wow.
Final day is only here 20% only. That program is my 3-day program, training of trainers.
Yeah. And how about this photo? Can you share with us?
Wow, this is a village, Kathmandu, near Nagarkot. Beautiful place, Nagarkot. Here is my old dynamic leader is Sunbadur Gurung, Somprasad Ghimire. He is Jorbaru now, Somprasad Ghimire. My sponsor upline here, Nirbadur Zirel. And then Deepak Chaudhary, Kesbadur Gurung, a lot of dynamic leaders. Old photo is this one. At that time, my first journey.
I see. Okay. And how about this one? Can you share with us?
Wow, Cambodia.
So this was a quite recent trip. You qualified to Cambodia.
Yes, that time also my first honeymoon. 4 countries I visit.
So you only will have honeymoon when you go for TSI. Otherwise, no honeymoon.
Yes. Thank you for DSN. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. And how about this one, Minaram Bhai? Where were you with these beautiful ladies?
A lot of all crown diamonds.
Yeah, all this is Crown
Wow.
Diamond. We have got one Crown Ambassador, one
Yeah.
executive Crown Diamond, another one is senior Crown Diamond. Rest all are
Yes.
Crown Diamonds. And what were you doing with these ladies? Where were you at that point of time? आप कहाँ थे?
एट दैट टाइम आज जब जो इस फोटो में जब मैं हूँ उस टाइम में मैं क्राउन डायमंड का जो पिन लेने टाइम में हम वीवीआईपी रूम में था। तो मैं अभी थोड़ा भैया मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता हूँ। वीवीआईपी रूम से आशीष भैया मेरे को मेराराम खटका वेयर इज मेराराम खटका अंदर से बोल रहा है, मैं वीवीआईपी रूम नहीं पा रहा है यार, किधर से जाना है यार, किधर से बोलता है। जो होटल के अंदर में एक वीवीआईपी रूम है, उसके अंदर में क्राउन डायमंड का इतना सम्मान दिया था कंपनी। वाह, आई कैनॉट फॉरगेट आफ्टर their security bring me there VVIP room. Thank you very much भैया.
Yeah, actually what Minaram is saying, that time he has achieved a Crown Diamond and he was in one of the VIP room. So he was treated real VIP. He was so proud being among all the top leaders. And of course, when the function has started, the MC has actually called his name, but he disappeared from there. He had so many members. He was so busy taking photo outside and whatnot. So he cannot forget this moment. And last
Yes.
but not least, Bhaiya, can you please tell us about this photo?
Yeah, thank you brother, thank you very much. This achievement I am cannot forget. Wow, thank you very much sir. Yeah, at that time in Nepalese, Ram Bahadur Tamang sir and me, 2% only we crown diamond. Pukar Sendal sir also, he not went to Malaysia at that time. He was busy. So राम सर एंड में उस टाइम में जो क्राउन डायमंड का पिन लिया था वो बहुत एक्साइटेडमेंट का टाइम था भैया। वो आप लोग आपके लिए भी बहुत बहुत थैंक यू भैया।
Yeah,
जो ई प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए आपका भी बहुत टाइम है ना।
Yeah, actually this photo Mr. Minaram cannot forget, because on that day not only Mr. Minaram but we have got another one more Crown Diamond, Ram Bahadur Tamang from Johor Bahru. They both basically had achieved and received the pin of a Crown Diamond from the management. So that was a very wonderful moment he had during that occasion. So Minaram Bhai, we are very happy to have you today. Once again, thank you very much for your time. We wish you all the best. Go for Crown Ambassador, Minaram Bhai. So I hope that in due time we will be able to meet up again. And I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you sir.
Bye
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Namaste.
See you soon.